Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am trying out the quick weave with the no leave out. I saw this method on YouTube and I ordered this hair off Amazon, and I'm very disappointed because look how thin this human wet and wavy hair is. I got a size, well, the length is 16, 18, and 20 inch. This is how I did my braid pattern. Very simple, nothing too extravagant. And I'm going to put this stocking cap on, and then I'm going to use the liquid, I forgot what it's called, but the liquid shield. I'm going to put this on, layer my tracks, and then I'll be right back to blend in the front for the no leave out. And also I am curving the tracks, like I'm curving them as I'm putting them in. Just want to say that so you'll know when you lay the tracks, curve it a little bit. Okay, here as you see, I put the track over the braid. Some of it came before, but that's okay too. And so I'm going to put this track in front of the braid that I have done, because you will see why I put it in the front. Okay, now what she did was she got the crochet needle and she wrapped the hair around and put it through. So I am going to do all the whole head in the front part like that, so that it could cover the track. And at first I was struggling to get the hang of the hook part, but it's very simple once you get the hang of using the crochet to bring the hair forward. And you just keep going and repeat the step until you feel like you had covered all the track parts in the front of the hair, if that makes sense. And you can see how it's looking. I'm going to add some crochet hair that I had left over, a marzel curls, what it's called, to give it more coverage, because I feel like with the hair itself it didn't have much coverage. So I'm just going to put crochet in like the naked spots in the front to make it more full and to hide the tracks. So this is the final look. I had to do a lot of manipulation with the crochet here in the front into tease. I did a bit of teasing, but yeah, what do I give this no leave out method the way that she did it. I give it to me a 4 out of 10. I was not a fan of adding crochet in the front, manipulating it. It was just too much to do, and maybe because this hair is thin as well, I don't know. But I'm happy that I tried it. So if you wanted to try it, you can, but I don't think I would be doing a no leave out. not this method. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next video. And I hope y'all enjoy this no leave out method.